Hey, one more battery for Teardown. This time it's a Hewlett-Packard or HP model. It's HSTNN-DB01. HSTNN-DB01. It's a 10.8 volts and 4400 mAh. It fits a few models for Compaq and a few models from HP Compaq. So it's a quite an old battery, but it should contain 6 cells, so it's okay. So let's see what's inside. I do have to find a way to start from a place, maybe with some bigger tools. Nope. Maybe from this side. Well, this one is tough. The connector breaks. Okay. These are most likely Sanyo batteries. Not my most favorite ones, as Sanyo are very often heaters and are not very good. The case itself has enough space for 8 batteries, but in this case they are just 6. And one spacer here. I will have to remove this one. Okay, almost done. This was not very good, but I'll take care of it later. Let's clean them up real quick and we'll measure them. Sometimes I'm able to cut myself or manage to cut myself. So if you do this, just be very careful, because these strips and the leftovers are very sharp and you can cut yourself quite easily. Okay, I will clean them up a little bit more later, but right now I just want to measure the batteries and see if there is anything left. And by the way, these are indeed Sanyo batteries. I will have to check the exact model, as there are some, let's say, unclear markings here. And let's see. This one is not good. This one, So the whole package is not good, very good. I will still have to charge them, test them and see if they hold any power, any energy in them. But as the experience says, these are definitely candidates for a secondary project or just for recycling. Okay guys, thank you very much. That's it for today. Bye.